Hi, this is not my usual woodworking video, but I thought I would show you. This is my Freelander 2, which has had multiple faults coming up on the dash, fault in the handbrake, temperature sensor, various things. And I've looked for any rubs or shorts on the CAN bus, can't find any. So I've also looked at the earths and they look okay. So I reckon it is possibly a faulty ECU. And I've looked on the internet, I can't find anybody taking an ECU unit out. So I figured out how to do it and I thought I would show you. It might save you a bit of time. So there's various videos on YouTube showing how to gain access to it. So I'll show you how to remove it now. Hopefully that camera will sit at peace while I do this. So take the connectors out. Just pull a clip out. These ones here. You just like a cam. Push that little catch in there, and then they release themselves once you push the thing forward. Like all my technical terms. Oh, before we started this, you should have disconnected the battery. Hopefully you've done that. And that's that bit. So I'll just change this camera. Okay, so on this you can see, hopefully, down in there, if you flex the mount, there's a little cutout rectangle on the left hand side, and if I move that, hopefully you can sort of see the same on the right hand side corner. So this is where it becomes fun. So you have to put, there's two little plastic clips, and you have to push those up and pull the unit out. So the handiest way is having three hands, but let's see if I can. I might just rejig this camera. So if you push the two little clips in, I can get at them now. I can't get it now. You can push the two little clips in, and then the unit comes out. So I hope that was helpful. I'll get this tested, and I'll maybe put a video of me putting it back in again once I get it tested and fixed if need to be. So just to show you, these were the two little spring clips that had to be pushed in to pull the ECU unit out. I hope that was helpful, and I'll try and get another video done. Thanks.